Zenith Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to explain the topic develop web application for students feedback system, and we have done this project for the subject web based application development using PHP. We have done this project under the guidance of Professor PS Khalate ma'am. The group members for this project are Saijyoti Subhash Beder and Pranav Rajan Nair. Content for this project which we are going to see is introduction, hardware and software required, development phase, benefits, input required, output, conclusion and enhancement.
Introduction. We have developed a student feedback system to provide feedback in a quick and easy manner to the college principal or admin. So we call it as a student feedback system, which develop VI that studies staff information as online system which Actian as and several provide. Hardware and software use. Hardware processor Pentium 4, speed 3.06 GHz, primary memory 356 MB RAM, hard disk 2 GB, software required, language use PHP, platform Windows 10, tool used Google Chrome and Sublime Text. Develop phase. It generally deals with gathering information about project, planning about how to start the project. It deals with the architecture of our project. It will tell us which language will be used and actual code used for development. At last, the testing of the project. Benefits. Cut your times. Manage the entire process. Enhance the staff. Meet with students. Input required.
For getting the proper output, we should enter the proper input to get the proper feedback. So first of all, we are going to select the roll number of the student so that the student will give the feedback to the particular staff or the particular employee. So we are going to select the roll number first, then we will select the name of the faculty and we can easily give the feedback. We have to select the subject and then fill the form and then submit it so that the faculty will get the feedback according to the roll number. Start. So here we are going to start the students feedback system, that is from step 1. So first of all we will select the roll number of the student. If we will select roll number 41 and then next. So we have to select the faculty to which the student will give the feedback. So we will select Pranav and then next. And here we will select the subject. He has been selected the two subject, Android and EDP. So we will do EDP and then next. So here we are going to give the percentage or the grades to the Pranav or the faculty. So here we can select the marks or the grades, and then after selecting that we will do submit. So the feedback has been submitted of the particular faculty, that is feedback successfully submitted. So for seeing the feedback, we will just do so here we are going to see the feedback that the person has been given before the roll number. Then here we are going to select the faculty, that is Pranav, and the subject which he has given is EDP. So next. So here we are able to see the total number of students who have given the feedback, that is 2, and the total percent of total marks that the students have been given to the particular faculty. So we can see the feedback in this manner, and if we want to add the faculty over here, we can just, suppose I want to add Rishika, and enter the subject. हिंदी मराठी हो गया. Enter the subject GAD, and here MAD, and add faculty. The faculty has been successfully added over here, and then we will do OK. And here we can see Rishika, the subject first is GAD, subject second is MAD. So if we want to delete the faculty name and the subject, we can easily delete using this. So successfully deleted. Here the faculty name Satish has been successfully deleted. So we'll go back, and if we want to change password, we can change the password over here by entering old password and new password. So if I enter the old password as this, and here I enter the old new password, and then change password. So successfully we have changed the password over here. Now we will see the database. Okay, so here in admin part, we have seen the name of the admin and the password over here. And if we want to see the faculty, so here we can see the faculty which I have recently added, that is Rishika, and the subjects allotted to her is also been added over here. And feeds, here is the total marks or total percentage that the particular staff has been get by the particular students. And if I will add one more, faculty over here, so if I add Sai and subject algebra, geometry, add faculty. Okay, successfully added. So we will just see over here, we will just refresh this part. So here we can easily see that the faculty has been added with the name Sai, and the subject algebra and geometry is also successfully added over here. And in this way we have successfully created the feedback system, and we can easily log out from this also using logout button. And we are here again on the starting page, and here I can log in once again. Here I can log in once again. This is how we have successfully created the feedback system using PHP.